Guys, welcome to another review from CarAndTech. So this time I am unboxing the Tapo home security Wi-Fi camera. So this I bought it from Amazon. So there was this sale happening. So I got it for around 1,200 rupees with some discounts. So it is a sealed box which had come via Amazon, but I have seen some damage here in the box which you can see. And let me open the box. So this is how the box looks like, guys. So when you open the box, you have the quick start guide. We have a adapter. So this is a 9-volt adapter, guys, and this is the pin that comes with the adapter. But it is recently lengthy. I think it's around 2 meters or 3 meters. I'm not exactly sure. So I'll show you the installation also. And this is the camera, guys. So this is how the camera looks like, and actually this is motorized and you can rotate it, and this is how the base looks like, guys. And we also have a base plate here and some screws. So guys, I was wondering where the micro SD slot is. It's actually, you have to move the camera, okay, it's behind the base. So this is where the micro SD camera and the reset button is. So I bought a micro SD from a company called Verbatim. So this is available in Amazon, and this cost me around 449 rupees, and this is a 64 GB card. So let me just insert the 64 GB card into the camera and see how it works. I'm going to insert the micro SD into the slot, guys. Now this is the power jack, guys. So you need to insert the jack over here, and you can see the red light and the infrared camera. So you can see, guys, I've taken the connection and drilled the camera on the top of the wall. So this is the electrician who is doing the job. So you can see I've taken the plug connection is there, that adapter goes to the camera, and then this wire goes to my Ola charging plug. So as I've done a video previously about the Ola, and this is the charging plug I use for the Ola. Now I can charge my Ola without any problem, because the camera will be 24 hours monitoring my Ola charging, and I can control it anywhere in my office or my home without any issues. So this, you can see the line for the camera adapter going through the same wire or the electricity that has been taken from my meter, and it is going to the camera. So I'll give you a detailed feedback of how the camera performs in the day and the night. So we have the Tapo. Yes, guys. So that is the app which you need to connect the camera. Okay, guys. Now as the app is installed, it shows to power up and check the LED. So right now, turn on location enable while using this app. So we have to give the app certain configurations or certain access. Next, connect to device. Connection is successful. It has found the app, guys. It has found the device, and it's connected to TP. No, let me connect my Wi-Fi. So I've connected to my Wi-Fi network, guys. So it's actually connecting to my network. Guys, now the camera is connected. Now let's go to, so it has a cloud also, which I'm not taking because I already have the micro SD card. Okay, now I already inserted a micro SD card. Firmware update. Okay, fine, got it. So guys, this is how the clarity of the image is. Now it's like a rainy season going on, and the light is not adequate You can see the time is around 11:35 right now, 11:35 a.m. And this is how the camera is being. I'm now actually going to rotate the camera so you can see how it will be. For rotation, you need to go to pan and tilt, and then you can use these. Can you see these arrow keys to rotate the camera? So this is how the 360-degree camera works. You can also pan and tilt. So this is pan and this is tilt, guys. So there's a maximum area where the camera can pan and tilt. So I'm going to again rotate the camera. So this is how it rotates, and again I'm panning and tilting. So this is how the image looks like in the daytime. But remember, guys, it's now cloudy and it's raining also. But I would suggest you to protect the camera from the rain because this is not a waterproof camera. Now again I'm going back to the previous set area. So you can actually set different profiles where you can have a clear image of whatever position. You can set a position so that you can have a clear always on locked image. So I've actually locked this camera in this image permanently. So only if I want to move down, I'll change the frame or the angle of the camera. Now if you go back, you can see there are this playback and download options where you can download the images. So this is a previous image which I have downloaded, and you can right now this is playing. You can see a kid going near the car. So this is the playback and download. Like you can download, and also you can share the image. You can see there is share. You can favorite, download, and delete. That is also a good option. So overall, I'm very satisfied with this camera, guys. Sometimes if the Wi-Fi network is slow, you might get a slow refresh rate from the camera because my router is actually placed very far away from the camera. So if the router is nearby, you can definitely get a much faster refresh rate when when it's connected through Wi-Fi. So this is how and there are other features where you can take a picture. You can see there's a picture. You can take a still of that frame, and again you can download, and you have a mic option where you can speak to the person who's who's standing near the camera, so you can hear. And there's also a call option here. You can see you can tap to call where you when you tap, actually what happens is the person can interact with you through the camera. So that is also another great feature with this camera. Now I have the mic is on and the speaker is also on. So if I want to speak, if there is somebody, I can speak to that person who is standing down. And also if you go to the settings, guys, there are different motion tracking. And also motion tracking, I've actually switched it off because if you put the motion tracking on, always the camera will rotate, so that will actually damage the camera because it's unnecessary to always rotate the camera because it can actually damage the motor. So that is why I'm not doing that. And motion detection, you can actually see here I put the motion detection on. Then only if you put that motion detection on only, then the real motion tracking will work. So that is why they have given a setting like that. And person detection is also there. When it detects a person, the camera automatically tracks that person, tracks that the face or that body of that person, and it rotates automatically. And there's a feature called camera tampering also. If somebody tries to tamper with the camera, you'll get a notification in your phone. And baby crying detection is also there. As I actually, it is only for indoor use. Now I'm actually using this camera for outdoor use, guys. So for monitoring my parking area, and I have an Ola scooter also, which I have actually always put on charge. Now what happens is, the I as I always put on charge, like somebody can take away the charger. So that is why I thought I'll just monitor the charging of my Ola scooter through the camera. So those are the basic settings, guys. And you have a patrol mode also where it will automatically every 10 or 15 minutes it will pan and track, tilt the angle of the camera and check the surroundings. So that's also a good feature, but I'm not using it because it can damage the motor. Only if you need all these things, you can, obviously, turn on all these features. And actually, it's just 1,200 rupees camera and price. If it goes, just buy another one, because right now security is a prime objective of everybody. So if you don't value, I mean, care about 1,200 rupees, maybe if something happens after, I don't think so. The motor will conk off like really fast. It'll last for, like, if you always use the petrol mode, it'll last for like almost, I would say, I mean, almost a year. Then only the motor will conk off. So again, spending another 1,200 rupees for the camera is just, I think, it's for the safety is just nothing. It's just a very meager amount. So that is what I want to discuss with you. And there's storage, and now I actually put the video quality in 720p because my router is like very far away from the cameras. That's why. Otherwise, if the router is nearby, you can definitely put 1020p and the image will be much clearer. What I've shown you is actually from the 720p video resolution. And the storage and recording, I have actually local storage. I have a 64 GB memory card installed, and I've already showed in the unboxing video, and I'm using that local storage. So this is actually now happening in loop recording, because obviously you cannot continuously record. That is also there, only because that is necessary, as like in a dash cam in a car we use. It's the same technology that is being used here, and you can also record the sound if you need it. And the other settings are like, you have a status LED on the camera which will blink green and all, and you can see the power of the Wi-Fi, the range of the Wi-Fi also here. See this here. And then the privacy mode is, if you activate that, you can cut off the camera. So if you or somebody else is near the camera, you don't want to record that image, you can always turn on the privacy mode. And notifications, I've put it on, so you can get the notifications on your phone. And you can share the device smart actions. If you have Alexa, you can actually communicate with Alexa for the camera. And you have a firmware upgrade also. You can check for the upgrade, and it's already updated. And you can reboot the camera and remove the camera also. So these are the basic what do you call, the settings of the camera, guys. I'm completely satisfied with this camera. If you have any doubts, please do ask me in the comment sections. I'm always happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching.